How to customize aspect ratio in Reelshot. Want your video to fit perfectly on any platform? Here's how to customize the aspect ratio in Reelshot. First, open your project and tap the canvas or aspect ratio icon, usually found near the bottom toolbar. You'll see preset ratios like 1:1 for Instagram, 16:1 for YouTube, or 19:1 for Stories. Tap the ratio that fits your platform or tap custom to set your own dimensions. Your video preview will adjust automatically. Use pin gestures to reposition the clips if needed. When happy, tap apply or done to save the changes. What's your favorite aspect ratio for posting videos? Share about it in the comments below. Choose the right aspect ratio before editing to avoid cropping important parts later. And that's how you can customize aspect ratio in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.